Welcome back to Auto Info Master, your ultimate destination for the most exclusive and futuristic automobile reviews. Today, we're diving deep into the 2026 Brabus Motorhome, a beast on wheels that combines extreme luxury, performance, and smart technology in a package that defies everything you thought a motorhome could be. Based on a modified Mercedes-Benz Sprinter or G-Class platform, this Brabus-tuned masterpiece elevates the meaning of mobile luxury living to an entirely new level. Whether you're cruising down the Autobahn or camping by a lake, this is the future of freedom and refinement on four wheels. Starting with its exterior, the 2026 Brabus Motorhome makes a jaw-dropping first impression. It's aggressive, bold, and unmistakably Brabus. The front fascia features a custom carbon fiber grille with the iconic Brabus B badge, flanked by adaptive LED matrix headlights with intelligent beam control. The bodywork has been completely overhauled with a widened stance, flared wheel arches, and lightweight carbon aerodynamic elements that not only reduce drag but also give it that signature sporty edge. The custom Brabus wheels, available in 18 to 22-inch options, are wrapped in all-season performance tires and accompanied by a sports-tuned suspension system, making the vehicle ride smooth and stable on any terrain. Roof-mounted solar panels, air conditioning units, satellite connectivity, and integrated ambient roof lights round out the upper architecture. The rear features a fully motorized tailgate, rear-view camera system, and custom tail lights that glow in a stylish LED sequence. This motorhome isn't just built to travel, it's built to turn heads while doing it. Now, let's step inside, and this is where Brabus truly shows its brilliance. The interior of the 2026 Brabus Motorhome is nothing short of a penthouse suite on wheels. Brabus uses only the finest materials: Napa leather upholstery, Alcantara suede, carbon fiber trims, and brushed aluminum accents. The layout is incredibly ergonomic and stylish. As you enter through the automated sliding door, you're greeted with soft LED ambient lighting and real wood flooring. The lounge area includes electrically reclining captain's chairs, each with individual climate control, massage functionality, and even memory foam cushioning. Opposite the seating area is a 55-inch OLED smart TV that folds out from a hidden compartment, integrated with Dolby Atmos surround sound and satellite streaming options. The kitchen area is a masterpiece of space utilization. It includes a smart induction cooktop, a built-in espresso machine, microwave, a full-size refrigerator with Brabus-etched glass doors, and smart storage cabinets that open with a simple tap. All appliances are powered by a high-capacity lithium-ion battery system supported by solar panels and an integrated generator. Moving towards the rear, the sleeping quarters offer a king-size bed with an adaptive mattress, mood lighting, noise-canceling window panels, and a retractable roof skylight for stargazing. There's also an advanced HVAC system that automatically regulates temperature and air quality. Right next to the sleeping area is a luxury bathroom with rainfall shower, heated floor, smart mirror with health monitoring, and a Japanese-style bidet toilet. Everything is controlled via a central touchscreen tablet or by voice commands using Brabus Custom AI Assistant. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Brabus Motorhome doesn't play by the usual rules. Depending on the base model, it comes with either a twin-turbocharged V6 or a monstrous Brabus-tuned V8 engine capable of producing up to 600 horsepower. That's insane power for a motorhome, and thanks to its 9-speed automatic transmission and custom-tuned AWD system, it accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in under 6 seconds, unheard of in this category. The braking system features high-performance ventilated disc brakes and regenerative braking for better energy efficiency. Brabus also integrates adaptive air suspension that automatically adjusts height based on road conditions, making it ideal for off-road adventures or urban cruising alike. The driving experience is equally futuristic. A panoramic digital dashboard displays everything from navigation, diagnostics, and fuel economy to AI-based route suggestions. You also get semi-autonomous driving capabilities including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, traffic sign recognition, and automated parking. The inclusion of 5G connectivity ensures that all onboard systems, including entertainment, security, and vehicle diagnostics, remain always online and up to date. Now let's talk features, and there's plenty to unpack. The 2026 Brabus Motorhome is equipped with a full smart home system. That means you can control lighting, temperature, curtains, and security cameras right from your smartphone, even if you're outside the vehicle. There's facial recognition for unlocking the main door, a fingerprint-activated safe, remote monitoring for pets or kids, and an emergency medical system that can alert the nearest hospital in case of sudden illness or accidents. You also get a fold-out terrace with integrated seating and canopy, perfect for enjoying a sunset view in the middle of nowhere. And for those who want to stay productive on the go, there's even a retractable workstation with a high-speed satellite internet connection and dual monitor setup. In terms of safety, the motorhome is built like a fortress. Reinforced steel frame, advanced crumple zones, full 360-degree camera system, radar-based blind spot monitoring, and emergency braking assistance make it one of the safest RVs on the market. It also features onboard fire suppression, CO2 and smoke detectors, and a panic button that automatically locks all doors and contacts emergency services. Let's get to the pricing. As you might expect, luxury this extreme doesn't come cheap. The base model of the 2026 Brabus Motorhome starts at around $480,000. However, with full customization and performance upgrades, the top-tier variant can easily cross the $650,000 mark. That said, what you're getting isn't just a motorhome. It's a high-performance luxury villa that can drive itself, keep you connected, and pamper you on the road. To sum it all up, the 2026 Brabus Motorhome is in a class of its own. It merges the best of Brabus engineering, Mercedes-Benz reliability, and next-gen smart tech to create a motorhome that redefines luxury travel. Whether you're a tech-savvy nomad, a high-rolling adventurer, or someone who simply refuses to compromise, this motorhome delivers on every front: style, substance, and performance. This is the future of mobile living, and Brabus has just raised the bar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the most cutting-edge auto reviews. Thanks for watching Auto Info Master. See you in the next video.